Hey, how y'all doing? Mr. Piper here. I'm in Oklahoma City. Had some major snow. A blizzard came in the middle of the night. And as you can see here, this is just one example of, now this is a very close call here. As you can see, they almost fell off this embankment. And it apparently, they slid off the road during the blizzard, and definitely it was a very close call. It's a very high embankment here, so that's just one example. I was talking to some locals, and they normally don't get this much snow in one night, but so yeah, it's a horrific accident here. Oklahoma City. All right, more later.